This is the Squier Vintage Modified 70s Stratocaster, and like I do with all my guitars, I'm going to put a Dimarzio strap on it. You're going to want to remove these factory strap pegs, and what I usually do is I'll just go ahead and start removing one of them. So this is the factory strap peg. Got the screw, the paint protector felt thing, and the peg. These Dimarzio straps have an open up package. As soon as you open it, the strap will fall out. Here are the ends that go on the guitar. And this is a hardware kit. These hardware kits have two different size screws, washers, and the metal bushing insert. The smaller screw is silver. The bushing insert for that screw is also silver, and you use the white clear washer against the body. If for some reason you need bigger threads, you can use the black screws, which use the black insert washers that have fit into this hole. These just pop out. You can pull them right out, just like that. Usually factory screws are the smaller silver. So what I do is I'll pull the silver out and I'll compare it to the factory screw. And it looks to me like the factory screw on this guitar is bigger than the Dimarzio silver. So we might have to use the black screws. Yeah, it is. Okay. Pull out a Dimarzio black screw. You really can't tell in the camera, but these are the same size screws here. So, gotta go Dimarzio black. So what you then do is you're gonna have to use the black set of everything. Lay these out, and just so they match, I'm gonna use the black washers. I'm gonna go ahead and put this silver hardware with the white washers back in the bag. Pull these silver screw bushings out of the nylon, put them with the silver hardware. Put these up for if you need it later on. Black metal bushings, insert them into the nylon holes, and boom. One side of these clip locks is smooth. The other side has like printing and stuff on it, as you can see. I always put that towards the inside. So this would be on the guitar around your neck like this. Take the black screw through the metal bushing, put your washer, paint protector on the guitar side of the screw. Make sure it's lined up straight, and then just start screwing it in. This side's installed. Repeat the steps on this side. I wouldn't use this factory felt because these strap pieces are made to slide against that nylon washer. This might make the Dimarzio screws eventually start working their way out. Black screw, black washer, guitar side. And as you can see, the smooth side is out. Marked side towards the inside of the strap. And then put this side on. Alright, so now that both ends are on, the final step is you take your strap, put the Dimarzio side out because it's backwards the other way. It's like a seatbelt type thing. And you just snap it in. Keep the strap straight. There. The strap is on. Okay, here's something I would do. Take your chrome Dimarzio hardware, put a little piece of tape around it so it don't come open. You have this for spare, and then these are your factory strap pegs. If you ever want to get rid of the guitar, or it's just good to have your factory pegs. Dimarzio packaging, it opens up. Put your extra stuff in there. Boom. There's your hardware. Go put that in your parts bin, and you have it. You just can't throw this stuff in a drawer somewhere. Scattered. Gotta be clean. Work clean. This is why I use these straps. Hey, if you like this video and would like to see more like it, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified and won't miss anything. I go live every Tuesday morning at 10 a.m. live guitar stream. Tuesday live guitar hangout. See you later.